Now here we are going to start from the topic which I have left just now in that screen recorder. Now I am presenting my laptop screen where we are going to learn the basic thing, and we will do the programming in a practical way also. Here now you should follow your book, and I will be showing you how to write programs in Java. Now first you see page number 55. Here one thing is written, Introduction to Bluej. First we will see what is Bluej. In your screen, in the screen you can see here a Bluej where I am pointing the mouse. You can see Bluej is there. Now first let us see what is Bluej. Bluej is an integrated Java development environment. It is an integrated Java development environment which is supported by Sun Microsystem. It provides a menu-based platform for writing Java program. It provides a platform where we can write Java program. Now you should follow the book, and I am showing you how to work with Bluej, because whatever programming which we are going to do, we will do with the help of Bluej. Now first you can see the icon here. We have to click in that icon. It will open a file. Now let's see, I have clicked the Bluej icon. Now it's going to open. We have to wait for a moment because it is taking time to open. Yes, it's Bluej supported by Oracle. Now we will wait for a moment when the screen will appear. Yes, now this is the main screen for Bluej. This is the main screen for Bluej. Now this is the main screen for Bluej. Now here, if we are going to write any program, we have to click on New Project. If we are clicking on New Project, you can see here New Project. So many options are there. We will select the option New Project. You just follow your book and see whatever thing we are making. After clicking a new project, here a screen is being appeared, a pop-up screen is being appeared. You can write here your name, or you can write your program or related to what topic we are going to create. Suppose I am writing my daughter's name, Aradhya. Now OK, we will press OK. It will be created a new Bluej platform. Earlier I have created with my name. Now a new Bluej platform is created. Here you can see here name is given. You can write your name also, or you can write that thing which you want to create. Now here so many options are there. Here on the right hand side you can see that new class. From here we can create directly the new class. Then compile option is there. Here some more to insert inheritance relation, that we will talk later on. Now here new class. When we will click on new class, it will ask me to provide a class name. As in our book has been provided a class name, that is car, you can provide whatever class you want to write. Like suppose we are also providing the same class name car. We have provided the name of the class car. Now here we are taking the class as a simple class. We will click on OK. Now here you can see that a car has been generated. Now we will double click on this class. A sample program will appear on the screen. Let's wait. Yes, after clicking on car, you can see here on the title bar, car is being mentioned here. Now here a list of program is being created. Now what we have to do, we have to select entire program by clicking Ctrl+A. We will delete all the program. We will erase all the program. Since we are going to write a new program, that's why we will delete all the program. As we have deleted all the things, now we will start from the very first part, that is documentation section. Here we will provide comment. Suppose we are going to provide comment. Now comment, the symbol for comment is given. Here we will write my first program. You can write anything. Here I have written my first program. Press enter. Now we will declare the class. Write class What class we have taken? Here we have taken class car. We will write class car. Then we will start the opening of class. We will start with delimiters. And we will close the delimiters also there only, and we will use the button and we will send the delimiters down, because whenever a delimiters we are going to open, that should be closed, and if we are opening and closing at the same time, that will make our task easier, so that we should not forget any delimiters to be closed. Now we have provided a delimiters. Next we will write the next thing, public static void main string r. Now this is the execution program file. This is the declaration of main method. Now we will again open a braces for main method. We will close here also braces for the main method, and from here we will write our next statement, that we are going to write the print statement. System dot out dot print ln. We are using print ln. Why print ln we are using? Since system.out.print, only this print is the output statement, we are using ln also to print our output in a separate line. Here we can write that this is my first program in Java, enclosed within the this semi inverted comma, then we will close the bracket and we will terminate with a semicolon, because we know that every proper valid statement should be terminated. If you want to print some more line, we will not type it again and again, we will simply copy the line and we will paste at bottom, and simply this thing which is enclosed within quotation mark, within double quotes, we will copy that thing and we will replace this thing. I feel very lucky to write my first program. This is the second line. Suppose if you want to provide one more statement, you can again press Ctrl plus V, because we have earlier copied these things. Again you should replace this. Suppose we are writing thank you for making me understand. Now as I have closed this parenthesis and this my output statement is completed. This you can see here, the delimiters is at very bottom. We will press backspace so that it should come little bit up. Now our program is completed. Now after writing the program, we have to compile the program so that any error should not be there. Here you can see here compile button is there. We will click on compile. Now here some mistake is there. That's why it is giving identifier expected. Here you can see that spelling of public is wrong. I will write here public. Now again we will compile. Now here you can see at the bottom class compiled, no syntax error. After writing the program, if you have found no error, then what you have to do, you have to close the program. Again you have to come to the same page from where you have entered into that Java environment. Now here you will click right button of your mouse. Now here you can see that void main string, you have to click on that. Then after a method call dialog box will appear on the screen, you will click on OK and your program will run. Now see, here your program is run. My first program is Java. I feel very lucky to write my first program. Thank you for making me understand. These 3 lines I have written just now. This was earlier I have done, that's why it is showing this also. But from here we have written, it will show up to here. Hope that the very first program is quite clear. Now we will make one more program in Java. That is the next program in which we will use the logic also. Let us write one more program. So for that we will create a new class, that is example number 4. We are going to write Example number 4 in your book, it is given in page number 60, and in that example it is given, write a program to find area and perimeter of rectangle if length is 12 and breadth is 8. We will create a new class. Let us see. We will create a class rectangle. We'll press enter. Now this class is created. Now we will open the editor file so that where we can write, as in the car class, everything written was there. Now what we will do, we will press Ctrl plus A. We will erase all the things. Now we will write the program. Now first we will do the documentation section. Here in the document you can write the question also. Here I am writing a program for calculating the perimeter and area of a rectangle when length and breadth are given. Now here I have given comment. Now next we will create the, we will start from the class. We will write class rectangle, as I have created class rectangle. Then after we will open the delimiters. Here only we will close so that we should not forget. Now again in the next step we will write the main function, that is public static void main string arg. Then main method declaration has been done. Then again we will open the main method for parenthesis for main method. Now here we will declare the things which are going to be used here, like length, breadth. These will be having a numeric value. That's why we will declare a data type. In next line we are going to declare data type. Like for length, integer is the data type. Length, comma breadth. We are going to calculate perimeter also. We will write perimeter, comma area. We are going to use these values. That's why we have declared earlier this will be a value with integer. We'll press the semicolon. Coming to the next line, we are providing here value within the program. Later on we will learn by using input at the time of execution. We will learn different things. Here in this program we are going to provide the every items within the program only. Like length, we are taking length is equal to 15, breadth is equal to 12. We have taken. Then after we will provide the formula. Suppose formula for perimeter. Perimeter formula is perimeter is equal to 2 asterisks for multiplication. There then length plus breadth. Then it is closed. It will give us the perimeter. Then we have to calculate area also. Area is equal to length into breadth. Terminated. Then after we will provide the print statement. Now print statement is system.out.println for printing in a next line. The statement will be the perimeter of rectangle is, or you can write here is equal to, then you can close the curly and that semi inverted comma. Then we will provide the value by using plus perimeter. This we have studied about plus, that it will store the value which here it has been calculated. Then we will close the bracket and providing the semicolon. Then again we have to write. Again we are not going to write the same thing. We will simply copy the thing and we will change the values. Now the area in place of perimeter we will put the area. the area of rectangle is equal to plus, in place of perimeter, if we are giving the same value, it will give the value of perimeter plus area, bracket close. Our program is completed. Now we have to compile the program. Let us compile. See, after compiling, it has given no syntax error. Now we can calculate it here also, that area will be length into breadth. Here value has been assigned. Length 15 into breadth 12. You can calculate it. Now when we are going to run the program, it will simply give the result. Let's run the program. We will close this menu, or you can minimize this, and you will right click on the class rectangle. You have to click on void main for running the program. Then a method call will appear. You have to click OK. Now you can see the perimeter of rectangle is 54. The area of rectangle is 180. It has given directly the result. Why it has given the result? Because we have provided the value within the program. I hope that you have understood how to write program using Bluej. These are the simple program. There are so many programs given in your book. I'm going to ask the same program from your book only. That's why no need to worry. You should solve the program. Now we will come and we will solve a new program, that is lab assignment and activity, given in page number 62. Now here we are going to solve the first program. Write a program to display the name of your friend in different lines. You can see, write a program to display your name of your friends in different line. We will create a new class. Let us name the class as friend. We will create that class. Again we will double click on this button. Now we will Control plus A. We will delete all the things. Now we are going to write the comment. We will write here, program to display the name of my friends. Only this much I have written. Then we will create a class friend. Then after we will open the braces. Again we will close here also. We will come down. Then we will write public static void main string arg. Then we will open the main method. We will close also. Then at the top we will write, simply we have to display the name of our friend. We will simply come to the output statement, system.out.println, because we have to print in separate line. Now we will write the name. Suppose the first name of your friend is Rahul. Rahul terminated. Again, for printing the next, we will simply copy and we will change the name of the friend. Here I am continuously pasting, and later on we will change the name. Suppose I have pasted here so many times. Now we have to change only the name. Rahul, then after Saurabh, then again Vijay, Ravi, Rameshwar, Rohit, Vinay. So many names I have given here. Now we have closed everything. Now we will compile the program. See, after compiling it has given no syntax error. Now we are going to run the program. What we have to do, we have to click on friend, right click. We have to click on void main string arg. Then method call will appear. We will click on OK. Now here you can see the name of your friend is appeared, Rahul, Saurabh, Vijay, Rameshwar, Vinay. Hope that the very simple Java program is clear to you. Now let's make one more program, which is the third program. The second you will try by your own. And Bluej, you have to do in Bluej. Bluej you can download from internet. Simply writing download Bluej in the Google box. You will get the website. On that website you will click and you will be able to download. You can install in your computer, and from there you can start doing the work. Now let's start next program. Here it is written, write a program to display perimeter of triangle. having side 23 unit, 22 unit and 33 unit respectively. It means we have to calculate the perimeter of triangle. Let's create a class triangle. We have created a class triangle. Now we will double click on this triangle. We will delete all the things. We will write the comment program to calculate perimeter of triangle. Now we will start with the class triangle. Then we will open the braces. Within these braces we will write public static void main string arg. See, as we have discussed that Java program is case sensitive. I will show you why it is case sensitive. String, the S should be capital. By intentionally I am making it small. Let's see, we will get a error here. Now we will open a main method definition. Now here we will write the statement, print statement. See here, system, S will be capital but I am writing small so that we should learn how to correct the error also. System.out.println. Sorry, first we have to declare the values. First we will declare the values. Like first we have to declare integer. Now we will declare the integer length 3 side. We will declare side 1, side 2, side 3. We have declared 3 sides. Then after we will declare perimeter. These are the value which should be declared. Now we will put the formula. Perimeter is equal to side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. Now in the next line we will write system.out. See here I have written the S small of system. The message will be there and error will be there. System.out.println. We will write the statement, print statement. The perimeter of triangle is plus perimeter. We will close the section and now we are going to run the program. Let's see, this will give an error. See here, you can see error found in the class. For finding error, we have to press Ctrl plus K. Let us find the error. Ctrl plus K. Here, it is expected. Now I have provided space, so space should not be there. Here also, I have provided space. It has given me error. Now again, we will compile it. Again, error is there. Press Ctrl K. Again, here is also expected. So we will correct all these things first. Now again we are going to compile. Again error is there. Again press Ctrl plus K. See, the termination has not been done here. Where we have to terminate the thing. Again we are going to compile. Now here again error is there. Ctrl K. System.out. Package system does not exist. Since we have written here small s. Here should be capital S. Now again we are going to compile. Again error is there. Ctrl K. See here in the string R. It is not finding the symbol. The alphabet S will be capital. Now I think no error should be there. See here, still error is there. Let's see where it is the error. Variable side 1 might not have been initialized. I think that some problem is there. That side 1 might not have been initialized. Perimeter is equal to side 1 plus side 2 plus side 3. Here some mistake is there. Let us try to sort out this mistake. That why this mistake is being appeared. Now we will put here one bracket so that it should not give us an error. Then after we will combine again. Again error is there. Again the same error. Variable side 1 might not have been initialized. Now let's see what is the error it is showing. Because we haven't provided the value here. See, we haven't provided the value here. That's why we can provide here value. Side 1 is equal to, in the question value were given. In the question, side 1 is 23 unit. We will provide 23. Then after, side 2 is equal to, value is given 22. We will provide 22. Side 3, the value is given 33. Now, no error should be there. Here you can see class compiled, no syntax error. It means our program is okay. Now let us run the program triangle. See here, it has given the result. The perimeter of triangle is 78. If you will add manually also, because we know that the perimeter, for the calculating the perimeter, the formula is sum of all sides. Hope that these simple programs is quite clear to you all. Now one more topic is there. Now what things we were doing till now? We were providing the value to the variables within the program. Like here side 1 was the variable. We have provided here 23. Within the program side 2 is a variable. We have provided 22. Side 3 is the variable. We have provided 33. In place of side 1, side 2, side 3, you can write A, B, C also. No problem with that. See, here I am changing the value A, B. Then after I am providing here C also. Then also no error will be there. Because, and it will give the correct result. See here we have to change A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. Let us see. Error is there. Let me check out what is the error. Cannot find the variable C because here side 3 is still there. Now no error will be there. See here no syntax error. Our answer will be same. Let us run the program. It's taking time to run. We will wait for a moment. It is taking time. See here so many times it has given the result. 78, 78, 78. As many times we have run the program, so many times it has given. Once again we are going to run the program. From here, see, the perimeter of triangle is 78. Even though we have changed the value of the integer part, we have changed the variable also, then also the result is same. Now next topic which we are going to learn, that is accepting user from input from the user. Now this time up to here we have given the input, we have given the value within the program. Now if we want to enter the value at the time of execution, now what to do at that time? Because in this program only one result can be taken. Only one result will be there, that is 78. And if we want another result, we have to come inside the program, we have to change the value again and again. But if we want that once the program is developed and you can get the result for any values, for that we have to write some other part for accepting input from the user. You can see page number 62. In that the topic is given accepting input from the user. See here it is written, so far we have been writing codes for the program in which you have given the value of the variable inside the program itself. Here also we have given the value inside the program. But what if you have to give different values? If we want to change the values again and again for the variable, in such case it would be easier if you make program for once. See, for changing the variable values of the variable again and again, it's not possible to again come here and change the value and then take the result. Instead of doing this, we will simply add by the calculator. So instead of doing this, we should write the program once and enter the value of the variable during the runtime. During the runtime, when we are running the program, at that time we can enter the value and we can get the result. Now here so many things we are going to add here in the program. Like first is system.in. System.in is an object of input stream. It is used for providing input, which is used to read data from the command line. These are the command line. It will use the data from the command line. See, this is the command line, and from here we will use the data. Here we will use the data. We will input the data. Input stream reader. Input stream reader reads the data given by the user. Whatever data user is going to give, it reads the data of the user during the execution into an internal buffer. Then after is buffered reader, it stores the data temporarily. It does not store the data permanently, because if data is permanently stored, it will give again and again the same result like in this program it is giving, which is given as input during the execution of program. Next is readline method. Reads the input from the keyboard as string, which is then converted into corresponding data type. It is using as a string, but again later on it is being converted into the required data type by using data wrapper classes. Now let's solve one program which is given in the book, that is example number 6, which is given in page number 63, which we will write the program and we will take the values directly at the time of running the program. So let's write a new program. For that we will create a new class. Like here a program is there. Write a program to input your name, age and display it as output. Now let us see. We will write the program. First we will create the class identity. We are creating the same identity we have created. Now we will open the editor. Here we have to write the program. We will delete all the things, whatever is written, we will write from a new beginning. We will provide the comment program to display name, age and other identities. This comment section we have provided. Then we will write a file which is for import. Import java.io asterisk. I am writing just now for solving. Then we will discuss later on that what are these things. We will discuss one by one. Then class we will declare identity, then opening braces. Then after the same thing, public static void main string arg. Here one more thing will be added, throws IO exception. Throws IO exception. Then after again the main method will be started. Now from here we will write buffered reader BR is equal to new buffered reader. This is used for storing the data temporarily. New input stream reader. This thing you have to learn, the statement. Stream reader system.in. Then bracket will be closed. Then after we will declare the string A we have declared. Then after string name, then after integer we are going to declare integer n. Then system.out.println. Why we have declared integer? Just for providing the age. Enter your name and age. It will ask at the time of providing the running the program, at the time of execution. Now name. As we have provided name, it will read the data. br.readline. Then after a is equal to br.readline. Then again we will pass the value. N is equal to integer dot parse int a. Then after again we will provide system.out.println. The name is plus name, whatever name it is providing, it will display that. Then again one output statement will be there. System.out.println the age is plus n, since we have provided plus n. Now our program is completed. Now let us run the program, then we will declare, then we will discuss each and every line also, that what is the meaning of each and every line. You should come to page number 64 so that you should also read whatever thing I am saying, you should also see in the book. Let us first compile the program, that whether any error is there or not. See, some error is there. By mistake some error will be there here. Termination statement, I have not provided the termination part. Here I have provided. Now after compiling, here you can see no syntax error. Now it's time to run the program. Let's run the program. The process of running the program will be same. Now see, here the line is asking enter your name and age. See here in the bottom a box is being appeared. Now here name, suppose I am writing my name Arun, my age is 32. See, it has entered Arun and 32. Again if you want to write, again it will provide. Suppose Rahul, age is 31. It will display 31. So like this you can write various Java program in the format. Here some error is also found, that Rahul 31. I might have done some mistake in writing the coding, that's why it is giving error. Let us check why it is giving the error. Here it is giving the error. Java language number format exception. Rahul 31 in Java format. It is the wrong format in which I have provided. That's why it has given error. Now we will discuss the program single by line, like the first line. It says import java.io. Asterisk. You can see this is the first line. Here it is the first line. It says that it is used in the program to include all built-in classes that are involved in the program to receive input. Why it is used? It is used to include all the built-in classes which we are using for receiving the input from the user. The second line, that is class identity. We all know that. Here the declaration we are declaring the class. This the third line, opening braces for the class. Fourth line also, till here you know that we have studied earlier. Throws IO exception is used to find any error occurs in input-output operation. It will show that if any error is there, it will give us the error. If any error occurs within input and output, it will show us in the program. Next is the main method, opening braces, starting of the main method. The next line, sixth line, it is giving us buffered reader. It is a new line which we have discussed. This line is declared to read the new value given by the user and store the value in the given variable. This line is simply used for taking the new value from the user, because every time we are going to provide a new value, this line will store a new value. As buffered term is used, it is used for storing the value for the temporary purpose. Now next is string A has been used. Here string is a data type that has been used with the variable A. We have used a variable A and string, it is a data type. Then string name has been used. In the next line, string name has been used. Here string is also again a data type that has been used with the variable name. Since we are giving here name, that's why it has used name. Again integer n. Here integer is a data type which has been used with the variable n. Now system.out.println, we all know that this is the output statement. Next, name is equal to br.readline. This has been used to ask the value from the user to input in the variable name. This line has been given to ask from the user. Since we are asking now, at the time of execution, the computer asks us to write the value. Here also we are asking the values from the user. We are providing this line. Next line is a is equal to br.readline. This line is used to ask the user to input the variable for A. This is used for input the variable for A, and this is for value name, for name. Because here we have declared string A, string name. These are for that. Then for integer, for n is equal to integer parse int A. Now this line says that it's been used to convert string data type into integer data type. We have declared, just now we have studied that string will be declared and later on it will be converted into desired data type. It will be converting string into integer. Now this is a print statement. The name is plus name, whatever value user is providing in place of here, it will display it. Now the age is plus n, whatever age it is providing, it will provide here. Hope that this program is also clear. Now this is the last program which I am doing for you, and your task is to do all the question and answer if you have not done yet, and all the lab assignment and activity you try to do it by your own. And if you are facing problem, just give me a ring or ask me. I will write the program in this platform, and I will send the screenshot of it. Okay, then thank you student for attending the class.